How's everyone doing today? Shankar Puri here, and today we're going to look at some cryptocurrencies, see what's going on in the market, and go through a gold trade that we were able to capitalize on today. So without further ado, let's dive right into the chart. All right, guys, so we're looking at Bitcoin right here, and we've actually are forming this area of consolidation. So you can see that the bulls, we got a little bull trap right here where the price pushed up, but we got rejected, right? So you can see that rejection right there. So looking like we can probably we may just head lower to this area right here, and maybe we can get a push to see if we can get a push up to this resistance level. Now, not much really for me to, no trades yet or anything. I mean, we do have this parabolic curve right here, so this is very bullish for the Bitcoin price. So this is very bullish for the price, so we can definitely even head higher. So this is definitely a bullish move, but if we do not get up to this zone here, we could just have a kind of like a head and shoulders where the price just zigzagging, and then we just head back down here, right, for a retest, and then head higher. So that's definitely a possibility. So that's for the Bitcoin price. Not too much has changed. We still are in between this zone. So I mean, found support here, and haven't come back down here or here, so there's no trades available at the moment. If you look at the S&P 500, we are looking pretty good. Would love to see us pass here for us to maybe say, hey, things are really bullish, and maybe the bottom was in. But the fact that we're over this, I mean, it's a good sign, but it doesn't mean that we're out of the woods yet. It is a good sign, and it does show that the market is looking a lot stronger than a lot of people are saying, right? So, for instance, we had a push up here, and then the price come further down, right? So I would just love to see the price even here. We pushed up and then came further down over here. All right, the price pushed up here, and then we came underneath, pushed up, and then we completely fell, right? So definitely over here, something that we want to consider is that we could easily just have this fake out and head lower. And if this is a fake out, that would be, I feel like the drop will be pretty steep. So what I would say is that we would definitely love to come above this level here and get some type of retest, and then maybe head higher, right? So that's definitely what we're looking for. So what I want us to look at actually today is we'll look at some altcoins and see how they're performing. So we have Reef right here, potential of breaking a support zone, a resistance zone, and targeting the next high, targeting the next major resistance. We have about 38%, just over 38%. So if Reef, this is refinance, if it breaks, it looks like we could head up here, and this would still be maintaining an overall downtrend, right? Still be maintaining this overall downtrend, even if we come up to this zone here, right? So, nothing has shown that we've reversed, but it does look like we could have a nice little rally for refinance. In the next couple of days, if the Bitcoin price doesn't completely tank, or at least just consolidates, right? So there's Reef and Gala Games. We have Gala Games that's had a monstrous move. Here, 166% since December 22nd. So that was a crazy move right there. Now we're just bouncing on the support. So if we do maintain this level, we can look for 0.69% 0.069 as the next price target, so that's about another 30%, right? So you know, you are getting some nice movements out of the altcoins. Regarding Gala games, it looks like we were in this downtrend right here. In this downtrend, we've definitely broken it to the upside. So, you know, a major target would be all the way up here, right? That would be a major target. But if we continue this uptrend, just look for targets along this area. And so these would be targets, with this being the max target, right? So definitely two projects that you can look at, altcoins, and maybe get a good position in. This is on the daily chart, so this is more like you know, maybe a week or two trade. So today we'll look at a gold trade that I took and close a bit early as I was being impatient, but whatever. So we had gold here. Take off this moving average. So we have gold here on the 15-minute. Price broke underneath this support zone, so it's resistance. We had on the 5-minute a bearish candle. So we got in here off the rejection, and we got rejected off the 61.8, so it wicked. So it's looking like we have bearish structure, rejection. And you know, I closed most of my positions here, but I did have my target down here. The reason for closing the position there is, if we look on the hourly, we have this trend line that the price has been maintaining. So I was thinking that, you know, the price is still on an uptrend, and I was anticipating that, you know, maybe at this area, if we don't break through, we could definitely just head higher, right? So we could definitely just head higher and make another higher high. So close that. I mean, ended the day in some profit, so grateful for that. But yeah, you know, that's just how it is. So without further ado, guys, that's it for today's video. Please tune in next time. Altcoins are looking like they can make some gain, you know. So if you're trading altcoins, definitely can make some profit in it right now. I've started to look at altcoins a little bit to see what's going on there. You know, Bitcoin just consolidating, and you know, the S&P, though it's looking better, still has made a full decision whether it's going to be moving higher or lower. So, you know, just be careful, because a sudden move, the market can just completely tank, right? So just keep that in mind. So without further ado, thank you for watching today's video. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.